So hi, we are gonna see like if a member function is a constant and the declared object is also constant, but we can modify its value. So we will look at by an example of so let's suppose we have a class. Its name is textbook. So now in the public we have the methods. So like first we will write the operator, as we need to overload the operator, and also we need to have the constructor for this. So I will make a constructor in the name of C textbook. So C textbook app. So here now I will declare char star str and initially formula. So like it will act as a default parameterized constructor also. And here for the private part we have to declare the string also. So char star text can declare it as this. And now first we have to assign this, so we will calculate its length. We'll share this trlen as the C function, which is also can be used in C++. It's all defined in the std or the include files. So now as we have the length, so now what we will do is like assign the new space for this. So we will write char star we'll assign that space. So like okay, we can do the string copy cpy and the text with the str. So now here what is this, it will give an error as we haven't assigned the space. So now we have to assign the space for ptext also. So ptext is equals to new of do new new of carrots return that is char, and we will and plus one is needed for this character, as you know this backslash 0 or null character at the end, so it's required here. So this will be our constructor. And now we will also have the operator. So we need to overload the operator, and so as we can see its return type is char, and so it will return and reference. So now I will overload the operator this, so that we can get to know the position. So now we have the std overload written over here, so we don't need to write it. So now we just need the position, so it's the position. And as I told you earlier, it's of constant member function. So but we will change its value. So like we just return text and the position we want to return. So now let's jump into the main quickly. So it's the main, and now as I that it is a, as I discussed earlier, it would be a constant type, constant object. So now we have to create a constant object of the class. So the class is say textbook, as we have declared above, and we have to give its name cctv. Let's pause this, and let's we give any string, so world. So this is the string, and it's not a copy constructor, it's a simple constructor, or we can say like the parameterized constructor over here. So it will go here and it will copy the string value in the text. So now here we will print cctb. So it is not defined as we have not overloaded this operator, double arrow operator, but we can surely define this. So this would work fine as we have overloaded this operator, and it will return the char. So okay, yeah, that's the mistake over here. Okay, morning, this is converting an object string to char star. Also, yeah, so this will be a char star. So like string is a char star in this const char star, not char star, it's const char star in C++. So we have to declare it a constant. So this is must as the string. So now we will print it, and it will print w, as we can see here. So now as I told you, there will be no problem in this, but what I will do is I will declare char star ptr pointer to this function, and which will give the reference of cc to at any position, let's suppose 0 position. So now ptr will have the reference to this string and it will point to the fault. So like we can print ptr now and we can see like it is printing world. So like this shouldn't be happen as the member function is constant and now object is also constant, but we can have the string with the ptr. So and we can change it also, like I will change it like we can do ptr at like star ptr. So like the first position will be changed if like it we can do or it. So now so if you print this ptr, so you can also see that it will change, this w will be changed at a. So error it's changed. So like this shouldn't be happen. So what to do, how to avoid this? So this is like this we can also declare at constant over here, so to avoid these types of mistakes, as it is, as we can look over here, like it's bitwise constantness but not the physical constantness. So as the member function is constant, we should return always the constant return type in the member function. So now this would give an error and it won't compile. As we can see, like we can't have the reference to this as it's a constant returning a constant cctb object. So this was it. Thanks.